Hey beautiful people, it's Mina from Lamar Detailing, and today we have the gorgeous SF90 Spider with us. It got full body PPF, and this won't be your typical video where we talk about what we did to the car. It's actually what happened to the car while we were working on it. The battery actually went completely dead and we weren't able to charge it up. But after calling a few of the local shops and the Ferrari dealership, we sort of pieced together everyone's information, and we figured out how to boost it. Well, I shouldn't say boost it, how to charge it back up. Because this is lithium-ion battery and it is recommended that we don't boost it. So we'll go through the process with you guys to take it from completely dead to charged up and ready to go. So the first thing we did is, if it's completely dead, you won't be able to open up this charging cap because it's electric. So what we'll have to do is open the door and open up the engine cover. Here. Lift up the engine cover, have it supported, and then what you'll notice is there's going to be a little plate over here that you can just take off with a simple flathead screwdriver, and there's going to be a red cord that you pull on and it opens up the charging port. So that's the first step you need to do, is get the car back on the trickle charger, and the trickle charger and the hybrid charging system is the same port. So get it back on the cable, just so there's like power running through the system. And then next we're going to go over to the passenger side footwell, where we will find the 12-volt battery under this panel here. There's a simple hand screw that comes off, you open it up, and then there's the 12-volt starting battery. So what we'll need to do is remove the two terminals from the car, this black clip over here and then this positive clip over here. We disconnect it and then we throw it on our lithium-ion charger. So we disconnected the battery from the vehicle, we threw it on the 12-volt charger overnight until it got full health, and then what we did is we reconnected the terminals, and then we were able to start on the car. Now, we're not saying that this is the only way to do it or the best way to do it, but this is what we figured out worked for this car. If you have any more information as the car becomes more popular and there's more of them on the road on better ways to do this, or if there's any other ways to do this, please let us know and we could share it, just so we can inform the community on how to get these cars boosted up.